डोंट टेल मी आप ही ये स्टाइलिंग मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं। अगर आप ही ये स्टाइलिंग मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं तो स्टॉप डूइंग दिस बिकॉज़ पार इन द हिस्ट्री इस तरह से होता था कि आप पेंट ब्रश की तरह हर चीज़ मैचिंग पहनते थे और टॉप टू बॉटम इस तरह लगता था कि आपको एक कलर के साथ पेंट कर दिया गया है। लेकिन नाउ टाइम हैज़ चेंज्ड। अब गो फॉर द कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिकॉज़ ये आपके लुक को एनहांस करते हैं। आज हम कुछ बेसिक कलर्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो हमारे ड्रेसेस के होते हैं और डिफरेंट पेयर्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी के हम उन ड्रेसेस के साथ किन पेयर ऑफ ज्वेलरीज के साथ जा सकते हैं। सो लेट्स डिस्कस द पिंक फर्स्ट वन। एज यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज अ पिंक ड्रेस और इसके साथ मॉडल ने ज्वेलरी भी पिंक कलर की ही पहनी हुई है। इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी सटल लुक और कोई भी एक्सप्रेशंस एवरीथिंग इज गेटिंग डल। इसके साथ अगर आप डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस में जाएं लाइक पिंक के साथ आप एक जिंक कॉम्बिनेशन में जाएं तो कितने ज़्यादा फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस क्लियर हो रहे हैं और इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग लुक। यू कैन गो विद एमराल्ड ग्रीन विद पिंक, यू कैन गो विद आइवरी विद पिंक, you can go with the purple with pink, and you can go in different shades of pink like shocking pink. You can go with the turquoise color, mint green, or emerald green color. Also with the pink, depending upon the kind of dress, you can go with the silver jewelry as well. Now let's discuss black. Black is a color जो कि वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा पहनते हैं और अगर rightly wear किया जाए तो it gives you a very diva kind of look. Let's discuss the combinations of jewelry that you can wear with black. Starting with the golden color, it looks very beautiful on black. Go with the simple black dress and just wear a piece of golden jewelry with black, and you are just ready to go. Other combinations with black include black with ivory, black with red, black with emerald green color, black with silver color. Just don't go black with black, it gives a very ghosty look. Let's discuss red. Red looks very beautiful, but you need to wear right pair of jewelry with it, including emerald green color, ivory color. You can go with golden color on red. It gives you a very royal look. You can go with emerald green or gold combination with red. Now let's see green. Green with green giving a very dull and boring look. Go with green with red colored jewelry. It gives you a very diva kind of look. Go with the golden color of jewelry. It also makes you look very royal and expensive. Go with ivory color with different shades of green. It also makes you look very beautiful. Here you can see that a very triple stranded necklace in golden with green looking very beautiful and elegant. Let's discuss purple or the wine shade colors. In purple, you can wear golden with green emerald. You can wear green with silver color with purple. You can wear ivory color, which is absolutely looking very beautiful, but don't go purple with purple. Let's discuss shades of white and gold. Although ivory or white color jewelry is the color that you can wear with any color, including white and ivory color as well. But as you can see in this picture that it is giving a very boring and old-fashioned look. For a very refreshing look and a very younger look, you should go with a contrast, like gold with emerald green color, or you can go with mint color green with golden combination or peachy combination. It also looks very beautiful. Again, white with the mint green color and golden pearls. It's also looking very royal. You can go with the golden jewelry for the cultural look. You can go with golden and red with gold color dress. It's also looking very beautiful. You can go with the blue with gold and white. It looks very beautiful and royal. Let's discuss different shades of blue colored dresses with different pairs of jewelry. You can see that this baby pink color jewelry is giving very younger look and very beautiful and elegant to this blue dress. This golden jewelry is complementing this blue sari. Again, you can go with the emerald or silver color with this blue colored sari. I hope this video helps you, and next time dressing up, you will keep all these facts in your mind and you will be looking more bold, beautiful, and elegant. Thank you.